Hey, today I'm going to be showing you how to restore your Audacity project. Losing your Audacity project can be super frustrating, especially if you forgot to save it. But don't worry, I'll show you some ways to try and recover your work. The first thing that I would instantly do is go up here and hit recents. So if you could basically find it in the recents, you should be able to see it. But if you're not able to, it's okay. Another thing you can do is if your Audacity crashed, you're in luck because if you open Audacity again, and it'll basically give you a little pop-up asking you if you want to recover your file. So if you can do that, I would highly recommend that. But let's say you've already tried both of those methods and it doesn't work. Another useful way you can find these files that are temporarily saved automatically is you hit your Windows key or just go down here and hit this, then search up run. So this is the thing right here. It should be by system. And then you go ahead and click that, type in %app data %. As you can see right here, I already did, and I hit OK. So this is going to lead you to here, then go back one into app data, then go over to local. This is the one you're going to want to go to, double click it, then find Audacity, double click it, then find session data and double click it. And as you can see here, there's a couple things here that are automatically saved. Your temporary file should be in here too. So mess around with this and open up some of the projects here and see if it's saved over there. But if that hasn't worked, which honestly it should, and it should also come with like a .autosave. So I don't have it right now because this hasn't crashed for me or like deleted, but you'd basically see it here. But don't worry, if it hasn't worked, you can also just look for temporary files in here, files that basically have a .aup3 or .aup, which you can do by just hitting this PC and searching it up at the top right here. If that also doesn't work, then all other things haven't worked either. If you had it on your disk, you can always use applications like Recover or Disk Drill. And so if all of those haven't worked, honestly, there isn't many solutions you can do besides just in the next project that you do, just hitting Control S as often as you can, or enabling autosave or automatic backups in Audacity preferences, which is pretty straightforward to do. I hope this helped out and hopefully you got your project back. Have a good one.